The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, welcome back to our English class. In the previous classes, we have learned about the beauty of colors in the first lesson, and then in the second lesson, we learned that we have to work hard to achieve success. Then in the third lesson, we learned that we should think before we do something, otherwise we will be in trouble. Now let us start with our new chapter. Okay? Do you know what it is? Yes, it is about friendship. Now children, look at this video. What did you see in this video? Yes, children are playing together, eating together and sharing and caring. Here you also saw how friends are helping each other and how they are taking care of their dear ones. This is friendship, okay? I know all of you have friends. You play with them, share your things with them, then you help them when they are in trouble. Now children, in your studio, page number 55, you can see children doing some activities with their friends. Okay? It is a pep activity, 56 and 57. You can do it by yourself. Okay? Now children, let us read a poem about friendship. I'll read the poem. You will listen to it carefully. We are friends. We have joined together as classmates as the new year begins, a year full of learning while we become friends. So, the poet says that we have joined together as classmates. What is it? It is said that we students have joined together in school and we are classmates. Classmates means the students who are studying in your class. Those who are studying in your class are your classmates. Okay? When the new academic year starts, we joined together in the school as classmates. Then we started learning. It is a year full of learning. As the new year begins, we joined together as classmates and we started learning together and we became friends. We'll share and be kind as we work and play, and our friendship will grow with each passing day. So what is the poet saying? Yes, we will share and be kind. So during these days, we will share our things to our friends and we will be kind to our friends. Okay? We will share our things and will be kind to everyone. And our friendship will grow with each passing day. When day passes, our friendship will also grow. Children, do you like to share your things with your friends? I know you will. I had a box of crayons, all shiny, straight and new. I lent a friend one crayon and oops, it broke in two. I had a box of crayons, all shiny, straight and new. What does the poet say? Yes, the poet had a new box of crayon. Okay? The poet says that he had a box of crayon, all was straight, shiny and new. That is, he had a new box of crayons. I lent a friend one crayon. What did he do? This friend, lent means to give. I lent a friend one crayon. Lent means give. He gave his friend one crayon and what happened? It broke into two. It broke into two. The poet says that he had a new box of crayon. That is, the crayons are shiny, straight and new. He gave it to his friend. Okay? And what did he do? The friend, when he was painting, coloring the picture, when he was coloring the picture, it broke into two. Children, when we take a thing from our friend, how should we use it? Yes, we should be very careful, isn't it? We should use it carefully. And here what happened to the poet's crayon? Yes, it broke into two. Now let us see what his friend did. My friend said, she was sorry. My friend said she was sorry. And I said, I don't mind. Now we both can color. With one crayon we can share. So what did the friend say? She said sorry. The poet's friend said sorry. And the poet in reply said, he doesn't mind. Yes, the poet's friend said sorry. And in reply, the poet said he doesn't mind. That is, it is okay for him. Okay? And now we both can color with one crayon we can share. So what did the poet say? The poet said it is okay for him and he said now we both can color with one pencil. Isn't it? Now we both can color with one crayon. Here we understood how they shared their things. So children, sharing is caring. You also should develop this habit. Okay? Children, you also should develop the habit of sharing, caring and helping. Okay? Once more I will read the poem. Okay? We are friends. We have joined together as classmates. As the new year begins, a year full of learning, while we become friends. We'll share and be kind as we work and play, and our friendship will grow with each passing day. I had a box of crayons, all shiny, straight and new. I lent a friend one crayon and oops, it broke in two. said. She was sorry and I said, I don't mind. Now we both can color with one crayon. We can share. So children, we learned in this poem that the poet and his classmates became friends. They worked and played together and cared and shared their things and spent their days happily at school. Now children, after listening to this poem, do you feel like coming to school? Yes, a time will come when we all will meet together at the school and enjoy our days. Okay? Children, read the poem well and do the activity that is given earlier. Okay? Take care. Bye. See you.